everybody, I hope you've all had a good weekend. So this is how I've got on with doing some of the finishing stitches on my leaves. We've done some more detached flies and spider's webs, and I've done some more of the crewel stem stitch just to finish off the leaves, ready to go on to our next stitch, which is the seeding stitch. So the seeding stitch is one which we used to do casting on, but I haven't actually used it since the first redwork rabbit I did as an actual stitch in the design. So we're going to have a quick look at Philippa's how-to video so we can get our technique perfect.
I use seeding stitches both to secure my thread at the beginning of a stitching line and to anchor my thread at the end of it, but it's also very useful as a decorative stitch, filling in between other features in a big naked space. To actually randomly place stitches is about as difficult as to randomly place bulbs when you're gardening, but actually throwing the bulbs across the lawn makes a beautiful design, and I'm going to throw these seeding stitches in a similar way. I begin round the edge by making the stitches work at 45 degrees to the actual perimeter of the shape, so approximately 45 degrees. So I zigzag them round the edge, and I really try to pay very little attention to where they're actually going, so that the shape around the edge and the design in the middle work with me to make these appear as random as possible. All they are is a short, straight satin stitch that goes up and down. So you can see by working around the edge, I'm actually filling in quite a lot of space. And then once you've worked your way around the edge, come back and work again at a slightly different angle. So scatter them around much as you would scatter seeds across a garden, and just keep changing the angle whenever you can, working in between other features and decorative shapes. Wherever you hit the edge of an area, for example this area which has stem stitch down the middle, then of course you can go back to your zigzagging, slightly random looking seeding stitches. These circles in the middle here are a different stitch, but the seeding stitch really sets them off.
So now that we've watched Philippa's video, I'm going to crack on and get on and finish off putting the seeding stitches in my design, and I will show you tomorrow.